Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Elantra gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever on the driver's side floor, typically near the seat. Pull this lever firmly upwards to unlatch the fuel door. You will hear a click as it releases. Then, simply push the fuel door gently on its outer edge to swing it fully open, revealing the gas cap. It's a straightforward process. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the gas cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens and clicks, indicating it's fully unscrewed. Most Elantra models have a small hook or tether to hang the cap while you refuel, preventing it from dangling or getting lost. After fueling, replace the cap and turn it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring a tight seal. If the fuel door doesn't open, first check for any ice, dirt, or debris around the door's edges that might be preventing it from opening. Sometimes, a gentle push on the door while pulling the lever can help. Also, ensure the release lever inside the car is fully pulled and not stuck. If the problem continues, there might be a mechanical issue requiring a quick check by a service technician. With the gas cap removed, insert the fuel nozzle fully into the tank opening. Select the appropriate fuel grade for your Elantra, usually regular unleaded. Once fueling is complete, remove the nozzle, replace the gas cap, and close the fuel door securely. Remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Drive safely and enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.